1, 2, 3, Gullah Geechee, get ready. Hunter children, y'all know in that first part, I done cracked my teeth, but this year, for make sure you had one hurricane guide and thing like that, and had them at the ready. And done tell Hunter for make sure you know your evacuation routes and thing like that. Now, we know some other storm coming in, and this ain't the first hurricane, and sadly, it ain't going to be the last one and thing like that. So just know where to go and thing like that, and know where the road and thing at. And rather was, make sure you know what hurricane does. If you follow me from the social media and thing like this year, I about to put this your fact sheet of the hurricanes and what hurricane really is right up there and thing like that, so you can really read them, because I know y'all say I going too fast, so go down for you read all of this year. But everybody that panic about hurricane, but you ain't half a panic. Sometimes you just have to batten down your hatches. Now, for anything happen, you see these here, your cables and thing like this here, plenty of these charger cable go to these here. These is these handheld battery charger things. You see that? Or got your USB port. Make sure you done charge up your phone and all of that, but make sure you charge up this your thing too. You got the big one where you can charge a 2 thing with, and then you got one leave one like this here, almost like a lipstick case. You can charge one thing. If you ain't got one, go into the store now, get one, get them charged up and thing like that. Okay? And this the cable what go with them. Make sure your box got the cable in them, or you ain't gonna be able to do nothing with them. Okay? Make sure you get them charged up and thing like that. And if you still got one phone that got these kind of wide one, yeah, like this yeah, make sure you got the right one now. Don't have the wrong one for choking the thing, and then when the light and thing going off, then you ain't got nothing for work with. Now in case light going off, you should have had one of these. See what I do? I do this here, and that a hand powered, and then you take the switch like this here and you got light. See that? So ain't need no battery for this. But you know in the last one I tell you, but make sure you have battery and thing. But just in case your battery run out, you should also have one of these solar crank radio. So the same way I crank up that thing that's now for light from a flashlight, this your solar crank radio got a flashlight and the radio panel and thing like that. See if you ever come to the emergency management meeting when we hold them you to get one of these here for free. Now I gotta send you to the store for buy them. See if you can find one of them. So that way if your battery and thing run out, you're good. Same thing now. If battery and thing run out. First, let me start with this candle here. Look like one regular candle, but ain't. See ya? You go Dollar Tree and find some of these if it done ain't cow oil. See all the light? See that? See that? It look just like one regular one, ain't it? Okay, and you put them by one big old jug of water, you get more light shine off and thing like that in the distance. If you hide them right behind a big old gallon jug that's full of water, clear gallon jug. Now, the rest of the time, going back to old landmark, your regular candle, like this here, in the glass safer than this kind what ain't they in the glass tall and thing like that. So make sure that if you ain't got the other rest of the thing, they got plenty candle around because the holidays and thing kind up in the dollar store. So go on it and get you that. But see, why I like these on you in the glass, you can put the lid over top of them when you go in bed and shut the oxygen off and shut off that flame. Now, I ain't like too much of matches, because that thing can drop, you burn down the house. It can drop and go out, all kind of thing. So if you get one of these lighter, again, you can get them to the dollar store. I had to tell you that, because I just buy this just now, to the Dollar Tree. $1 a piece. So you can go on, get these your things, but have inside your emergency kit. If you ain't done make up your emergency kit, when I tell y'all before, 1, 2, 3, Gullah Geechee, get ready. This year the Queen Quet, head upon the body of the Gullah Geechee Nation. 100 children, I pray for you. The first way for get ready is pray. Pray, and then most of we stay. But stay tuned and thing like that at Gullah Geechee on Twitter, Gullah Geechee Nation on Facebook. We will keep on posting for what going on with the storm and thing like that. And we pray, say, going on past we for true. And that 100 children keep holding on and doing what we do. Hope on the culture, hope on the family, and rather us just get ready. 100 children, get ready.